Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English and understanding English po.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm very healthy po.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines or maybe if you feel something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to work in Malaysia because of much higher salary, and I want to help my family in the Philippines.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, my name is Emery Crisante Motor. I live in Bacoor, Cavite, 25 years old. Um, I have three sisters, and I have a live-in partner, but no children. And my height is 5 feet, and my weight is 49 kilograms. And my religion is Catholic.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
December 2, 1999.
February 12 or December?
December 2.
December 2.
Yes, ma'am.
December 2, 1999.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I graduate vocational. I have an NC2 pass of cookery and bread and pastry.
You are Emery Chris Otto, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you don't have any children.
No children, ma'am.
Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What is his occupation and how old is your live-in partner?
He's a rider, like transportation motorcycle.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three sisters. I am the second of them.
What about brother? No.
No, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father work. He has worked at government, and my mother, he's a wife.
Housewife.
Has
Okay. So, what happened? Why you decided to come and work as a domestic helper? Why not choose to stay in the Philippines? You know that this job is a very tough job. And you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you were going to sign a 2 years contract.
I want to work in Malaysia and as an experience, and I want to help my parents here in the Philippines to support their needs po.
Okay. As I have mentioned, this is your first time working abroad and domestic helper is a very tough job. You need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible.
Yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness and houses here is quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine. You can come, work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
I'm very agree, ma'am.
So, you have a working experience as a housemaid in which part of the Philippines?
Here in Bacoor, Cavite,
How
ma'am.
many years you work there?
1 year since start of February 8, 2022 and February 8, 2023, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities?
My job is my responsibility like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of pets also. And
What kind of pets?
Shih Tzu,
Dog.
yeah, dog.
Okay. So you cook? Did you take your children? No.
Sorry po.
Did you take care of some children or elderly inside the house?
Yes, ma'am. I'm take care of them.
You take care a dog and at the same time the children?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have also dogs here in the Philippines.
No, I mean to your previous employer in Bacoor. You
Yes,
work
ma'am.
for 1 year and you take care a dog. You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that only?
Yes, ma'am.
So you didn't take your children inside the house?
I'm taking also, ma'am, the children
How
because
old is the children?
16 and 14, ma'am.
Sorry?
16 and 14.
16 and 14.
Yes, ma'am.
You assist taking care of this teenager.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2023, do you have any working experience until now?
Yes, ma'am. I work hotel staff for housekeeping also.
Hotel staff, housekeeping. How many years?
4 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
Actually my employer are the same. My employer in my job right now are the same employer, ma'am.
Oh, to your previous employer in Bacoor also.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so February 2022 and until presently la.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a stay-in maid and at the same time you are a hotel staff as a housekeeping, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time, okay? So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. And we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness? Knowing that this is your first time working abroad, frequently homesickness will attack you. What will you do?
I will make myself busy and do the responsibilities, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.